for us. I've made a definition. What is happiness and what is miseries upon this earth. That is what is you call heaven upon this earth and what is hell upon this earth. We say that if there is a combination of these 5 things and if I get these 5 things in life, it's heaven upon this earth. It's a combination of these 5. American salary. If you are paid or you are earning in US dollars. 73 plus. I think it touched 74. A British house, they say, nice, fine, cozy house. German car, Audi, Skoda, Merc, Rolls. 4th is Chinese food. 1st is American salary. 2nd is a British house. 3rd is a German car. 4th is Chinese food. And 5th is Indian wife. If you got a combination of these 5 things upon this earth, you say, it's heaven for me. And the reverse of it is hell upon this earth. Indian salary. They say Chinese house because sometimes people live in boat houses there. They say German food. They say American car. So, Indian salary. Chinese house. German food, American car, and a British wife. Because they say in Britain 3 Ws they change any time. Weather, wine and wife. For many years I was just in a dilemma. Why this every website address starts with www? Now I came to know the reason. You can search many things on it. What I mean to say is, values and virtues, they are going day by day, deteriorating in our lives. And more leaning towards materialism. That actually doesn't allow us to celebrate our own existence. To celebrate your 70, 80 years of existence upon this earth. 5, 10 plus minus with the grace of God. We have a 70 or 80 year life. 8 hours of the day you sleep, one third part of the day you sleep. So if you live for 70 years upon this earth, your 23 years are going to be in sleep. You don't know whether you exist or not. Just 90 seconds of brushing your teeth and you spend more than 100 days of your life brushing your teeth. Now I'm not giving you the calculation of the amount of time that you spend in front of the mirror. Now that time varies a lot. What I mean to say, actual real time to celebrate your existence is very less. You need a definite thought process for that. You need to imbibe certain basic values and virtues in your life. 3rd, you need a proper work-life balance. 4th, you need to have certain kind of definite ethical behavioral patterns in life. 5th, you need practical, fundamental faith in God that helps you practically in day-to-day life. First important aspect is, wherever you are, whatever the profession, you should have your honest, ethical working at your workplace. That is the first important aspect of satisfaction in life. Did you get my point? Because 8-10 hours of the day you are spending there at your workplace, in your work, in whichever profession you are. There, if you are honest, if you are ethical, then only you will enjoy your existence upon this earth. Otherwise you will not.
Delicious.